Your second assignment is to create an information security incident management policy. Now, as we agreed from the beginning of this program, that any control that you need to make it as a process to be followed in your organization, it has to be created into a policy. So when we see that you need to have an information security incident management in place, how can I enforce that in my organization? How can I make everyone cooperate and for normal user to report any incident they feel it affects the confidentiality, integrity, or availability? How can I have a process that each incident need to be created in a report, and we need to analyze the incident, identify the root cause? Anything in the standards that you want it to be a process followed in a company, we need to transfer that to a policy. Now, I already explained how to create a policy, but keep in mind that most of the points that we cover are going to need to have a policy. Vulnerability management, we need to have a policy explaining how the vulnerability management will be conducted in the organization. Information security incident management, same. Antivirus management, same. So any control that you have in your standards that you want to implement in the company is not enough to implement it, because it has to be a process, and people need to be aware of this process and need to be followed. So it needs to be documented somewhere. So this need to have a policy for it. So I want you to create an information security management policy that explain how it should be followed. Everything that we explained in the previous lectures need to be included in the policy. And don't forget the normal structure of the policy, which is having a responsibility, who is responsible to follow the policy, the exception, the mapping, control, So you will need to create it with the same structure of a normal policy. And any topics that we covered so far that you feel that it should be written inside the policy as a process to be followed, please do that, because one of the project deliverable will be the set of the information security policy.